Welcome back, office executives. So I am presented with this data. In this particular data, based on two criteria, that is name and designation. If name and designation, these two criteria matches within this data range, then his posting would be fetched from this data range. Now we know that in VLOOKUP we give in a lookup value, and that lookup value is being searched within the table array, and if the lookup value matches with the value in the table array, then a column data is being pulled. So lookup value is, the criteria is on a single field. What if the condition is there are multiple fields, that is in here, if this particular example scenario is being taken into account, name and designation, based on the two criteria his posting would be pulled. Then which formula will you be using? That is the problem set which you are going to face, which you are going to overcome. So let's give in some conditional formatting. The conditional formatting would be over this range of cell, and we will be going to the new rule section, use the formula equal to this particular posting, if it matches with this value matches with, so it's $d $1. So if somehow the posting is not being found in D1, it would go to D2, D3. So I am fixing the column while the row number might change. So $d1. Now we'll be going to the format section, and we'll be giving a fill color, maybe blue, and from the font section bold italic, and OK. Now instead of VLOOKUP, there is another formula in Excel known by the name of dget. So what dget is asking for the first field. The first field would be database. So we are pulling the data from this database, and the field, that is, if the criteria, the field is, we will be pulling the data of the posting, and the criteria is this two, name and designation. If the name and designation matches within this particular criteria range, then posting data would be pulled. Let's hit enter. So give in a name, Alok Jana, and Alok Jana is clerk, Balurghat. Fine. Let's give in another value, maybe Suresh Raina, and he's also clerk and Rampurhat CCC. So what if Suresh Raina is not clerk? He is linesman. So no value is being found. There is no data in this particular database in whose name is Suresh Raina and designation is linesman. Let's, before ending the video, let's take in another value, Achinto Haldar, Haldar, sorry, my bad, Achinto Haldar, and his designation is OE. Okay. So there are two Hooghly KV. The posting is, so there are two. So Hooghly KV, this value matches with two of the column data. That's why two of the column is being highlighted. So if I change one of the value from Hooghly KV to maybe sub KV, Hooghly sub KV, then this highlighting won't look as it was looking. So now if we give Showman Shaha, and he is from technical, Hooghly sub KV. Maybe the searching of this particular highlighting shouldn't have been over the posting, because the posting data, there are duplicate of the posting data. Maybe we should have given this highlighting over any unique field, maybe name or designation might repeat itself also. So we should have given the searching, that is conditional formatting searching, based on the name field. So that's all for this particular video, and we looked in the value. Before ending the video, let me again show you the structure of dget. So dget searches the value in this particular range of cell, that is A1 to E11, and within this A1 to E11 it would just pull out the data from the column posting, and if G2 GH3, this is the criteria, if this criteria matches within this particular range of cell, then within that range of cell this particular posting column data will be pulled. That's all for this Excel video. Thank you all guys. Happy coding, and let me know in the comment section how you felt about this video. Thank you.